Yes, love.
I don't want this pen.
Okay, bring it to me.
Come and get it.
No, I can't. Bring it to me.
Daddy, can I drop it?
No, you need to bring it to me.
Daddy, but you need to come to me.
No, I can't come to you.
Please. Then I will drop it.
Don't drop it. I'll be angry. Come here and bring it to me like a good girl.
I think this will be Dad.
No. You said you wanted it. Why don't you eat it?
Yeah, but it's too dirty.
Okay, bring it to me, please.
Oh, not again. Oh, my.
Okay. Now you can go back and jump. Tukuyu. No yelling, please.
Daddy, I want to go now. Because we go to school in a wheel.
Do you want to show your kite to your Babane and Dede and Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. Here's your kite.
I want to hold it actually.
Okay, you hold it carefully. Wow, that's a beautiful kite, Layla.
I want to Grandma's got to show how much quick.
Did Daddy make that for you?
Yeah.
For your school?
Yeah.
That's a very pretty one.
It's the one piece with that.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Now we're going to put a string on it, and then you can just run with it.
I don't want to run with it.
Why not? That's how you fly a kite. Okay, now give it to me before Kaya takes it. Thank you. We don't want Kaya to take it because he might break it. Okay? Say bye, Kaya. Kaya, say bye.